how to remove and delete green screen on Sony Vegas Pro tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Vegas Pro. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is just click here, right here, and search for green screen. Click on video effects. Now search for green screen right here. Where is it? I didn't find it right now. And here is it right here. As you can see, the green screen option, chroma key. Click on it. Click here and put it on the video. Click here, here. As you can see, now the green screen, it's gone. You can also add some shadows. So good. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.